Tired of juggling contacts scattered across your phone and missing out on potential deals? Let's get those contacts into Kvcore. First, open the Contacts app on your smartphone, scroll through your contacts list and select the contacts you want to import into Kvcore. On Android, you can do this by selecting all or using the multiple select feature. On iOS, you will need to export the contacts. Now, share these contacts on Android. You will see the share option on the bottom or top of your screen. On iOS, tap Export and select vCard format. Choose the mail or email option from the share sheet. Address the email to yourself. Make sure the contacts are attached as a VCF or vCard file. Send the email. Now, switch over to your computer and log into your Kvcore account. On the left-hand side menu, find the Marketing or Lead Engine section, then locate and click the Import Contacts button. You'll be directed to the import page. Click the Upload File button. Locate the vCard file you emailed yourself in your computer's Downloads folder, or wherever you saved it, and select it. Kvcore will now guide you through mapping the fields. This means matching the information in your vCard file, like first name, last name, and email, to the correct fields in Kvcore. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Click Start Import. Kvcore will begin importing your contacts. Once the import is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Now your contacts are centralized, ready for your Kvcore marketing campaigns.